First time taking the trike out of the pasture. Here we go. What the heck's gonna happen? Looks pretty good. I think we are ready. Yep. Never fails to get your heart rate going. We should be set up for success. Fasten your seatbelts. The motor is not warm yet because I'm not a trike pilot, so I forgot that part. But we'll get there. Dumb mistake. I forgot the strap that goes over my waist. My landing gear is not functional. Minimally functional at this moment. You can see on this picture of the Scout how it has the bar running from the frame up to the swing arm. That's kind of what that strap's doing that I don't have. Oh. It's not properly attached to my frame. We're gonna have to make some kind of landing. We can land. I'm not sure how it's gonna go after we touch down. Dog. Aim way down there like that. It's not right. I guess I can steer this way. We're gonna have to. We're gonna have to. Landings are mandatory. Go ahead, pull my camera in because I might be landing any second now. I'm gonna enjoy what flight time I can because it's already late and I'm not really looking forward to landing like this. How we go? We'll see. It should be okay. It's pretty windy from the west, which is a crosswind, and turbulence over the trees. Flare it with our toes so we don't land on the nose wheel first. Yep, that is not the ideal way to fly a trike. But we made it happen. Yep. I didn't mount my landing gear properly. I was a little bit scared.